Today, we have a new creature. It arrived on site this morning, fresh in its feathers and its beautiful wear. We otherwise call this creature an apprentice. Let's go have a look at the little creature working. Come on. He's currently learning how to stack block and brick. Come and see. Don't startle him. If you go too quickly, you might startle him. He might run off again. Come closer. As you can see, the creature and his brand new wear. He's wearing all brand new clothes and brand new boots. It's his first day as an apprentice. I think they call the creature Joseph or Joe. He's learning to become an apprentice joiner. And currently he's learning how to stack brick. Let's look at the creature, so let's tippy-toe. Don't scare him, you'll startle him. The creature has taken his outer clothing, and we find his outer clothing has been released. Designer outer clothing with, what is that?
Nice.
With Adidas workwear. Nothing but the best for this apprentice. He will learn once he destroys hundreds of pounds of clothes. He's going to destroy his phone as well by having it in the pocket while lifting block.
Oh, he doesn't, does he? Oh, no.
Have you destroyed your phone already?
Keeping an eye, keeping an eye.
Joe, come and say hello to the camera. He has submitted, and you're going to say, do you submit to be filmed for the rest of your apprenticeship while you're working for me?
Don't know about that one. Don't
Yep.
know about the rest of the apprenticeship. Yeah.
It's one of the rules. If you want to serve his time, he has to do it. And we'll turn him into a monster. We'll do a 4-year run. Once he becomes a qualified journeyman, he can then, we can look at the first day when he's wearing his Adidas and his Nissi and his... Oh, look, they're dirty!
Don't know.
You're dirty already, and you don't even have a belt.
No.
Oh, look at the Calvin Kleins. Oh, my God. Anyway, so there's Joe. Say hello to the crowds.
Hello, crowd.
Joe is going to be an apprentice joiner. We're going to teach him everything about the skill, not just joiner. We're going to learn him brickwork, block work. We're going to give him a bit of standing on electrical, what we do with electrical. He's going to learn about engineering. He's going to learn about metalwork, framework, everything we do, basically. And we'll teach him everything. He won't just be an apprentice or apprentice joiner. He's going to learn the trade, a proper trade. Because we're a small company and we've only got a few people, the situation is that he will have to be a part of the process of what we do, from building the ground or building the buildings out of the ground and upwards. But that's what he's going to do. So it's your first day. How are you feeling? Nervous?
Good.
He's pretending that he's not. He's nervous.
I'm alright.
He will get used to slagging me off in a minute. He's not. Charlie, come on over and give him a hand here, because Charlie's a pro. Have you seen his video yet? Have you seen Charlie's video?
Today.
Are you?
Oh, is it?
Charlie's video is up here. It's on how to make cement.
Yeah, tune in, or else.
There we go. There we go. So we're doing a bit of stacking work, then we're going up to Lurgan to start doing the chimney work. So that's our day. Have a nice day. And you see me, Joe and Charlie and etc. Martian, and we've lost Sammy, but that is what it is. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you really like what you've seen today, please like and subscribe and follow and comment for more. Thanks a lot.